Subjack Remix.
Ayan. What's up guys? Here we go again, our videos today, and we're just gonna unbox Epson, which is EcoTank. It's a new update in 2021. I think this just came out. So now we're just going to convert the Epson EcoTank to sublimation, so then we can use it for mugs, plates, hat, all those polyester white, and then you can use it for that. So, and I'm just gonna show you how to do that, and then stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. We're gonna start to unbox first, and then after that we're going to use the sublimation instead of the Epson ink. So guys, let's go. We can start unboxing first the Epson. So this is what I use for my sublimation print. So this is company. So if you guys want to buy this, you can see the link below, and then you can just buy it from them. But this is the good brand what I use from 2 years. So if there's any issue, then you can just send them a message. So they are very responsible for everything. So any question, then they're gonna reply you as much as they can, answer the question, and then and this is the ink. It comes with a box, so you can use it, this one, the bottle, as well as much you can, but you have to take it out from there, but I don't want to do that. So you can just gonna show you quick. So take this out. So that.
Come back, show you. This is always the part of it. So, you just want to make it faster, you guys don't want too much here. So, you get it, and then I'll show it to you. Yeah, so, you just want to make it faster, so, take this out. Yeah.
And so that's the way. So now we can open inside, take out all the plastic as well. So what you have to do is open this one, and then you can see this one, then that down, put it down and lift it, so you have the lock inside here. So now we're gonna need this, so we can use this one. So yeah, so we can use that one. So, like that. And also, if you guys new, you can just install the same way how you install with the sublimation. So we're just gonna follow that, put the ink first, and then after that we can just turn it on, and then it's automatically to feed the ink and stuff like that. So we will see what's gonna happen. So I'm new on this as well to use this because it's a new version, so we will see with that. So I'm just gonna show you using with this one and then transfer into there. So stay tuned guys, so I'm just gonna show you. So first we're going to black. So yeah, I'm going to get the black ink. So yeah, 10 mm, I think 10 times you can just put it like that. So yeah, and so one by one you have to do it like this. So I'm just gonna show you one in this, and then gonna make fast forward so you guys don't wait too long. So guys, make sure you wear gloves as well, so you guys new onto this. And I'll show you how it looks in there. So you can just put half anyway if you want, but that's it. And you can see there, you have see the ink, so almost halfway there. So I'll show you that later on guys. So that's the only thing you have to do one by one. So from this one, all this, and that's it. Same way, all of them, same way how you did it. So I'll show it to you when it's done. Yeah, and here we go again guys. So we're gonna update you, and then it's all done, and all the ink is there. So you guys, if you just you read the manual as always, like I said. So now we're gonna turn on this, turn on the machine, and let's see, gonna read. Also guys, you can download the application onto the Apple Store and Play Store, and then you can just print out. And then just a quick update guys, and then this is a new version of the printer, the 28. So we have a new chips, so all the issue from last 2720 and stuff like that. So this is the new version, so let's try it, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. And then now it's saying, just quick update. So I'm sorry if you cannot see that guys. So yeah, sorry for this. So now it's saying language English. So press OK. So finish and setup using the Epson printer. Smart panel, yes. there you go. So it's starting to print now. So it's preparing again. So I'll see you in a bit, guys, and then we see what's gonna happen. So if you guys using this printer is maybe you know better than me, but I just want to show you this new update. So the start up here button and okay, so good filling of the mixture, sure to squeeze, do not squeeze, and the ink make it splatter or something. It's gonna make mess if you squeeze it. So guys, it's just saying to you and all the instruction what I did. So this is for sublimation, but okay, so we're gonna press OK. Make sure there's not too much color into the ink. So maybe you guys wanna start and then press question marks. Okay, so press this for 5 seconds. So and then hit the start. You're gonna start. So it's gonna like it say 11 minutes. So I'm just gonna come back to you guys so you don't wait for 11 minutes to that. So you can see from there. So it's making noise. So that's normal for that. So for all the echo tanks analyzing. So I'm just gonna come here back and see in a bit. Yeah, here we go again, guys. Welcome back. While we are waiting for 11 minutes and we are almost there, halfway, so I'm just gonna show you to my phone where you're gonna get to print wireless and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you the instructions here, and then you can just search it as well, but I'm just gonna show it to you as well so it's more easy to you to print. So we're going to Play Store. So if you guys iPhone, you can just go into the Play Store or Apple Store. So smart Epson. So we're going to Epson smart. Yeah, you can see that, guy. Sorry, my hand is a bit from the ink. So just guys, make sure you use the gloves when you doing the same way I'm doing. So you can go onto that Epson Smart Panel, so you can see that's the one. So while we are waiting on that one, guys, so I'm just gonna show you again to do this. So oops. Here you go, guys, analyzing complete. And then now while we are downloading our Epson panel, so I'm just gonna show you that, just show you how it works. So this is how it looks. So you need to scan and everything. I will show you that as well when it's done. So you just have to set up the printer and to your phone, connecting the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So it's a long process, but you can do that as well with the instruction. So you can just follow here, and all the information is on the book. So, and then now I'm just gonna show you this one. So it's a installation is complete, so now it's done. So you can just press OK. So adjustment, so if you want to just adjustment, just press OK, or print. So you can just say hit print, but we need blank paper size, but we're not going to use the paper for the sublimation, but we can use this a regular paper. So it's just for that. So and then confirm and hit print. So it's gonna print the press print on this one. Let's see, it's gonna so now it's printing. to checking your ink labels, and so what is this missing dots, so you can see that. So you can see that, guys. This is the first print, so serial number and stuff like that. So all the no missing dots, so it means it's okay. So there are any missing dots, say no. So it's the regular, guys. If you watch this, or if you have this one, this is the new version of the 2720. This is 2820 ET Eco Tank. So this is just a new version, just a new chips onto it. So all the issue onto the panels and stuff. So we'll see what's gonna happen as well. So just say adjust or adjust later. So now it's gonna print alignment and complete. You can adjust it again. So now it's done. So press. So now you can print, copy and stuff. So this is, you have sublimation, guys. So just gonna show you one quick. So also we can just do the scan. Just see. So for example, I'm just gonna scan it to this, guys. Scan this one. So let's see how it. Okay. So there you go. So we can try that. So this is all the settings, guys. If you want to go there, maintenance, firmware updates, okay. Nozzle check, okay. Load A4, okay. Valid. Okay, yes. So you come back there, copy. You can do scan, so we can try to scan how it looks, guys. So I'm just gonna show you this one. This is the original copy onto that. Okay. So let's do the scan. So one copy. Press OK. Scan. So you can see the firmware computer, or from the you can choose the settings as well to computer, PDF, or to SW preview computer. So there you go. So we can just multiple and then copy. So we're just gonna see how you're gonna copy on that one. So how it looks on black and white. So I'm just gonna show you the looks on the black and white sublimation, but this is sublimation print, guys, so that's the difference. So yeah, not too bad for black and white. So we can try now into color, right? Okay, so we can just print, and then I'm just gonna show you guys how long it takes to print for one ink. There you go, guys. I think this is 2 paper and that. There you go, guys. And this is the sublimation ink, just to let you know. So yeah. So this is the original copy, and this is the regular paper, right? But this one is not sublimation, so just okay. But it's not too bad. Just gonna show you how it quicks the print and how the details, how it looks on the print. So that's gonna be same thing, guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'll show you how you install them. Go into the website Epson, just Apple Store, Play Store into your desktop as well. So you can just install it to your computer. It's more easier, and connect it to the Wi-Fi. And that's it, guys. Mobile printing. That's it. And then I'm just gonna show you this to the app. I'm just gonna set up, guys. I'm coming back to you. Here you go, guys. So I'm just gonna show you. He's trying to searching the printer. So that's our 2820. So you need to connect that one. So just to set up, guys. Do you want to use the Wi-Fi? Yes. So it's just the regular setup. So move around and connect to your Wi-Fi, and then so now we can just, I think, go to maintenance. So you just Wi-Fi setup. So we'll see on this one. Connect to your wireless CTS. So yeah, I'm just gonna connect, guys, to the Wi-Fi, so I will see if you can quick print as well. So I'll come back to you. There you go, guys. So you can connect the Wi-Fi using the phone, not this one. So that's the easy way, and that's very easy for me. So I said Wi-Fi setup complete, and then smartphone and product are connected. So my phone and this one is connected now, so I can use another phone and then just download the application and just go through that as well. So you can just do next. So now you can start printing. You are using the latest primer, so this is the new product. So okay, that's it. Okay, it's ready to print, guys. You guys want to subscribe as well, and then so you can just go to your photos, scan, you can do it. So I'm just gonna print one, guys. So with my one photos print, and then next. So yeah, you can see from there, you can adjust it. So how you want it into the A4 size. So you can adjust it, go to the settings as well. So if you wanna put colored, yes, color, or being black and white, or print with a date. So for example, I'm gonna do that. Autocorrect is on, and it's automatic paper source, and then copies how many and done, and then you just, all you have to do, if you're happy on that one, and just hit print. So we'll see how long. So that's it. So this is what we are printing now into my phone. So that's it, guys. I mean, if you guys want to install this into your computer, that's the way easier. Go to the our website and just install, and that's it. All you have to do is just download them, and you can print it straight away. That's I don't have my laptop today, that's why. So that's the easy way you can just put onto your phone. So, because I put colored so many, and we'll see what's gonna look like into that. So the size is there as well as there. So if you wanna put A4 size, you can just put the A4 size. So this is how it looks, because it's sublimation, guys. So I'm just saying this is not gonna be very nice, but when you press this one with the heat, then it's gonna turn into the brighter. So this is a sublimation printer. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and then if you like these videos, please like and subscribe for more visuals and update, and please comment below. And then thank you so much again, guys, for staying until the end. So peace out.